Well, if you are building a system or a storage array, treating mechanical hard drive as identical storage blocks is a massive mistake. Western Digital's color coding isn't cosmetic marketing. It indicates entirely different firmware architectures. Take this blue one. It is engineered as a standard desktop daily driver. Depending on capacity, it is available in either 5400 or 7200 RPM. And here is the catch. Larger capacity models often use shingled magnetic recording or SMR, while smaller capacities tend to use conventional magnetic recording. That makes it fine for budget cold storage, but unreliable for sustained continuous writes or arrays. If you need raw sustained speed, you step up to WD Black. These are strictly locked at 7200 RPM, use conventional magnetic recording, feature high-performance controllers, generous cache depending on capacity, and a heavy-duty 5-year warranty built for demanding local application execution. But don't put a black drive in a NAS. For multi-drive enclosures, you need WD Red Plus specifically, not regular WD Red. Regular Red uses SMR, while Red Plus uses CMR. They run cooler at 5400 RPM class speeds, feature rotational vibration sensors, and are fresh with NASware firmware, which unlocks TLER, time-limited error recovery, preventing the drive from dropping out of a RAID array during a standard error check. Finally, WD Purple is built exclusively for surveillance NVRs. Its AllFrame firmware is optimized specifically for massive 24/7 continuous write workloads, prioritizing uninterrupted video stream capture over data block read verification to prevent drop frames. Match the drive firmware to your exact deployment environment. Check out the spec matrix to pick up the right architecture for your build.